Hey guys, it's Derek with yours truly, the Survivalist. I'm actually going to be working on cutting down some trees, which can be used for either firewood or building. So I'm going to actually grab my hatchet, which is a smaller form of the axe, and I'm going to cut down a couple of small trees, or at least a small tree. And right here is actually one of the trees. I cut down this one right here. And as you can see, I started with this one too a little bit. And show you guys how to actually cut down a tree. You notice you want to get a good angle on it so that way makes it easy to cut through. Yeah, you can actually see it right in there. A little bit of the ground view, but good to see a lot of stuff. And before I actually drop it, another thing you want to be aware of is your surroundings, especially on where you want to drop it, and take note of the height of the tree too, just so that way you don't get caught in any of the other trees or anything like that. So as you can see, there are some branches that are falling, which you also want to be careful of, because you get a big enough branch, it could hurt you pretty good. And down she goes. Now see, I actually dropped it right where I wanted, and you can see it's a fairly good sized tree, but I didn't hit anything, didn't get hung up. Even the cat likes it. Something like this you'd actually want to chop up afterwards, but sometimes it's actually good to leave it a little bit so that it'll dry out. And when you're done, and that's my tree chopping experience. I'm gonna cut it out for today, and hope you guys click like, subscribe, and we'll keep you posted.